In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Excel file as a PDF without anything getting cut off at the edges. When you export from Excel to PDF, it's really common for columns to be chopped off or for the bottom rows not to appear. That usually happens because the page layout settings aren't matching the actual size of your worksheet. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to check those settings, adjust them, and then save a clean, complete PDF. First, open your Excel file and make sure you're on the sheet you want to export. Take a quick look at your data and notice how wide your columns are and how many rows you have. If you've got really wide columns or a very large table, you'll almost always need to adjust the layout before saving as a PDF. Next, go up to the top menu and click on the Page Layout tab. This is where Excel controls how your sheet will look on a printed page or in a PDF. Here you can set the page orientation, the size of the paper, the margins, and how many pages the sheet should fit onto. Start by checking the orientation. If your sheet is wider than it is tall, switch from Portrait to Landscape. This gives you more space horizontally and often fixes columns being cut off on the right side. Then, look for the Size option. Make sure it's set to the paper size you actually want, like letter or A4. Choosing a slightly larger paper size can sometimes help fit everything in, but usually it's more about scaling than paper size. Now, the most important part is the scaling. In the Page Layout tab, find the Scale to Fit group. You'll see options to fit the sheet to a certain number of pages wide and tall. To prevent cutoffs, set Width to 1 page. If your sheet isn't extremely long, you can also set Height to 1 page, which squeezes everything onto a single PDF page. If that makes the text too small, leave Height set to Automatic, so Excel can use multiple pages vertically, but still keep all your columns on the page. To double-check that nothing is getting cut off, go to File, then Print. This opens a preview of exactly what will be exported. Flip through the pages and make sure all columns and rows are visible. If anything's missing, go back. Slightly reduce the scaling percentage, or adjust column widths and try again until the preview looks right. Once you're happy with the preview, stay in the File menu. Choose Save As or Export, and select PDF as the file type. Pick a location, give your file a clear name, and click Save. Your PDF will now be created with all your data visible, and nothing cut off at the edges.